Have you ever wondered how to make money online in 2023? Well, you're in the right place. As we delve into the digital era, the opportunities to earn money online are growing at an unprecedented pace. The world is becoming interconnected, and with it, the way we work and earn is evolving too. In the past, the idea of making a living online was a distant dream. But now, it's a reality for many. Thanks to the rise of digital platforms, we can now offer our skills, sell products, or even share our knowledge from the comfort of our homes. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career, the internet is brimming with opportunities. You just need to know where to look and how to leverage these platforms to your advantage. In this video, you'll learn simple, easy-to-follow steps to start earning online. Let's begin your journey into the exciting world of online income. To start, you need to understand what making money online entails. Making money online or earning a digital income is a concept that's been gaining traction over the past decade. It's about leveraging the power of the internet to create income streams that can either supplement your existing salary or, in some cases, even replace it. There are numerous ways to earn online, each with its own set of benefits and challenges. Let's delve into some of the most common methods. First, we have freelancing. This involves offering your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Common freelance fields include writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. The beauty of freelancing is that it gives you the flexibility to choose who you work with and what projects you take on. Next, we have blogging. This is where you create a website or blog on a particular topic, attracting visitors with your engaging content. Once you've built a substantial audience, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling products or services. Then, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests. Selling products or services directly is another popular method. This could be physical products, digital products like ebooks or courses, or even services like coaching or consulting. Lastly, there's the option of creating and selling online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can package your knowledge into an online course and sell it to people who want to learn from you. Remember, these are just a few examples. The internet offers a multitude of opportunities to earn money, and the best part is that most of these methods can be started with minimal upfront investment. Now that you have a basic understanding of online money making, let's move to the first step. The first step to making money online is finding your niche. Think of a niche as your corner of the internet, a place where you can shine and offer something unique. It's the sweet spot where your skills, interests, and the demands of the market intersect. You might be asking, but why is a niche so important? The answer is simple. A niche helps you stand out in the vast digital marketplace. It allows you to focus your efforts on a specific audience and tailor your products or services to their needs. Let's imagine for a moment, you are a fitness enthusiast with a flair for writing. You could carve out a niche as an online fitness blogger, creating content that helps others on their fitness journeys. Or perhaps you're a skilled graphic designer with a love for vintage aesthetics. You could find your niche designing retro logos and branding materials for businesses. But how do you find your niche? Start by identifying your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Then, research the market. Are there people looking for what you can offer? Finally, consider your competition. Can you do something better or differently than others in your field? Profitable niches come in all shapes and sizes. Some people build successful online businesses around selling handmade crafts, while others make a fortune from affiliate marketing. There are niches for freelance writing, web development, coaching services, and so much more. The key is to find something you love and are good at, and then find a way to monetize it. But what if you have multiple interests? That's perfectly okay. The beauty of the internet is that it allows for multiple niches. You could start a blog about healthy cooking, launch an online course about digital marketing, and offer consulting services for small businesses, all under your personal brand. Remember, finding your niche is not about limiting yourself. It's about honing in on your strengths and passions, and leveraging them to create value for others. The right niche will not only make your path to making money online clearer but also more fulfilling. Once you've found your niche, you're ready to start building your online presence. Building an online presence is crucial in the digital world. This is where you lay the foundation for your online business. It's like setting up a physical storefront, but in the virtual world. Now, what does an online presence mean? It's the sum of all the platforms where you can be found on the internet. A strong online presence is about creating a digital footprint that leaves a positive, lasting impression on potential clients or customers. So, how do you build a strong online presence? Let's start with a website. Think of your website as your online headquarters. It's a space where you can showcase your skills or products, tell your story, and provide a way for people to contact you. The key to a successful website is a clear, easy-to-navigate design and content that provides value to your visitors. But your online presence isn't just about having a website. It's also about being active on social media. Social media is where your potential clients or customers hang out. It's where you can engage with them, build relationships, and promote your business. So, create business pages on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Remember, each social media platform has its own vibe and audience. So, tailor your content to fit each platform. For example, Instagram is perfect for sharing eye-catching visuals, while LinkedIn is great for sharing industry insights and professional achievements. Next, consider creating a blog or a vlog. These platforms allow you to share your expertise, provide value, and build trust with your audience. Plus, they can boost your visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential clients or customers to find you. And don't forget about online marketplaces and freelancing platforms. These are great places to showcase your products or services, connect with potential clients or customers, and start making money online. In conclusion, building a strong online presence is a multifaceted process. It involves creating a website, being active on social media, blogging or vlogging, and showcasing your skills or products on online marketplaces and freelancing platforms. A strong online presence will help you attract potential clients or customers. So get out there and start building your online empire. Marketing is key to making money online. With that said, let's delve into various marketing strategies that can help you make the most out of your skills or products online. First up, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. Think of it as the art of making your website or online store more visible on search engines such as Google. It's all about using the right keywords, creating quality content, and ensuring your site is user-friendly. When done right, SEO can drive a significant amount of organic traffic to your site. Next up, content marketing. This strategy revolves around creating and sharing valuable content to attract and retain an audience. The trick is to create content that is not just informative but engaging and shareable too. It could be a blog post, a podcast, an infographic, or even a video. The goal is to provide value to your audience, build trust, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Now let's talk about social media marketing. With billions of users worldwide, social media platforms are a goldmine for online businesses. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, these platforms offer a variety of ways to reach your target audience. From creating engaging posts to running targeted ads, social media marketing can significantly boost your online visibility. And then there's email marketing. Despite being one of the oldest online marketing strategies, it remains one of the most effective. It's all about building an email list and regularly sending out newsletters or promotional materials. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged, drive traffic to your site, and boost sales. Lastly, don't forget about influencer marketing. With the rise of social media influencers, this strategy can be a powerful tool to reach a larger audience. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand can help you gain credibility and increase your brand awareness. Each of these strategies has its strengths and can be incredibly effective when used correctly. The key is to find what works best for your unique business and audience. Remember, it's not about using every strategy out there, but about using the right strategies effectively. Effective marketing will help you reach a wider audience and increase your earnings. Now, it's time to monetize your skills or products. The digital world today is brimming with opportunities to convert your talents and commodities into a steady stream of income. Let's dive into the various ways you can do this. Firstly, you can sell directly. This is the most straightforward method. Whether you're a graphic designer selling your designs, a writer selling your books, or a craftsman selling your handmade goods, you can set up an online store and start selling. There are numerous platforms available such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon that make this process easy and accessible. Another great option is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's an excellent way to monetize if you have a substantial online following or a high-traffic website. Companies like Amazon and ClickBank offer robust affiliate programs that you can join. You can also consider offering paid courses or tutorials. If you have a skill that others want to learn, why not teach it? Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on a multitude of subjects. From cooking to coding, if you can teach it, you can profit from it. Subscription-based services are another profitable model. If you can provide ongoing value, whether it's a monthly newsletter, a premium podcast, or a private consultation service, people will pay for it. Services like Patreon and Substack can help you set up a subscription model with ease. Finally, consider leveraging advertising. If you have a blog, website, or YouTube channel with a significant number of visitors or viewers, you can make money through ad revenue. Google AdSense is a popular choice for this. Remember, not every method will be right for everyone. It's important to choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your skills, products, and personal brand. Experiment, learn, iterate, and find what works best for you. Monetizing effectively will help you start earning money online. And with the right approach and dedication, you can turn your online venture into a thriving business. Making money online doesn't stop at monetizing. You have to maintain your business. It's like nurturing a plant. You can't just plant the seed and expect it to grow without watering it and providing it with sunlight. In the realm of online businesses, your sunlight and water equate to continuous updates and improvements. Your online platforms are your virtual storefronts. They need to be inviting, up-to-date, and user-friendly to attract and retain customers. Think about your favorite websites or apps. What keeps you coming back? It's their constant evolution, right? They keep up with the times, introducing new features or design tweaks that enhance your experience. Your online business should aim for the same. Regularly evaluate and update your website or app, ensuring it remains fresh, functional, and in tune with your audience's evolving preferences. Let's not forget about products or services. Just as a brick-and-mortar store refreshes its inventory, you too should regularly update your offerings. Whether it's a new blog post, a fresh product line, or an updated service package, keeping your offerings fresh signals to your customers that you're active, engaged, and committed to providing them with value. And then there's customer service. This might just be the most critical aspect of maintaining your online business. In a world where competition is just a click away, excellent customer service can be your differentiator. Prompt responses, helpful information, and a friendly demeanor can turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. Equally crucial is staying updated with market trends. The digital world moves fast. New technologies, shifting consumer behaviors, emerging competitors, these factors can impact your business. Staying on top of these trends allows you to adapt and keep your business relevant and competitive. In conclusion, maintaining your online business isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular attention and effort. But with the right approach, this maintenance can lead to sustained growth and success. Maintaining your online business will help you sustain and increase your earnings. Scene script. Let's recap what we've covered in this video. We began by unraveling the concept of making money online. We discovered that the digital realm is a vast, rich landscape, teeming with opportunities. It's a space where anyone with a skill, product, or idea can carve out their own niche and attract a global audience. Next, we delved into the importance of finding your niche. It's not just about what you're good at or passionate about, but also about identifying where you can provide value. Your niche is the intersection of your skills, interests, and market demand, and finding it is the first step towards your online success. Once we identified our niche, we explored the process of building our online presence. We learned that a strong online presence is like a digital storefront, showcasing your skills or products to the world. It's about creating a brand that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart in the crowded digital marketplace. From there, we moved on to marketing your skills or products. We discovered that effective marketing is about more than just promoting what you have to offer. It's about connecting with your audience, understanding their needs, and communicating how your skills or products can meet those needs. We then discussed monetizing your skills or products. Whether through direct sales, affiliate marketing, online courses, or advertising, we learned that there are numerous ways to turn your online presence into a revenue stream. The key is to choose the monetization strategy that best fits your brand and audience. Last but not least, we talked about maintaining your online business. We learned that success in the digital world isn't just about setting things up, but also about constantly evolving and adapting. It's about staying relevant, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your offerings. And that's it! You're now ready to start making money online in 2023. Thank you for watching, and remember, the digital world is full of opportunities waiting for you to seize them.